everyone! Today I'm sharing real English sentences used in daily work life in Europe. If you want to speak naturally and confidently, this video is for you.
Lesson 5.
Let's get started. Every day I try to become a better version of myself. I start my morning with fresh energy. I prepare my mind before I start my day. I know success comes from daily effort. I believe discipline creates a strong future. I keep my goals clear in my mind. Clarity helps me stay focused. I take a deep breath and leave home confidently. The morning air feels peaceful. I enjoy walking to the bus stop. I like observing the city, waking up. People go to work with their own dreams. Everyone is working for a better life. The bus arrives as usual. I enter the bus politely. I find a seat and relax my mind. I think about how to make my day productive. I stay positive even if the day looks challenging. A positive start makes everything easier. I listen to English to improve my skills. Learning English helps me grow in my job. I try to learn a few new words daily. Small learning brings big improvement. I reach my workplace feeling motivated. I greet everyone with respect. Respect makes the workplace peaceful. I check my schedule for the day. I plan my tasks in order. Planning keeps me organized. I prepare my tools before starting. A good start saves time later. I focus on my responsibilities. I take my work seriously. I avoid distractions during work. Focus helps me finish faster. I do my tasks one by one. Slow and steady gives better results. I stay careful with everything I do. Carefulness prevents mistakes. I stay calm even when work gets tough. Calmness gives me mental strength. I try not to stress over small issues. I believe every problem has a solution. I think before I react. Thinking clearly avoids misunderstandings. I follow the instructions properly. I ask if something is not clear. Asking questions makes me smarter. I observe how others work. Observing helps me learn faster. I respect everyone's working style. Everyone has something to teach. I help my coworkers when they need support. Helping creates a positive environment. Teamwork makes our job easier. I appreciate good work. Appreciation motivates others. I stay humble even when I perform well. Humility keeps me grounded. I stay patient with difficult tasks. Patience helps me stay focused. I take short breaks when necessary. Breaks recharge my mind. I drink water to stay active. Staying hydrated keeps me healthy. I avoid unnecessary arguments at work. Arguments waste time. I speak politely to everyone. Polite words create respect. I stay honest in all my work. Honesty builds strong trust. I try to finish tasks before the deadline. Finishing early gives me extra time. I double-check everything before submitting. Checking gives confidence. I stay reliable in my duties. Reliability makes me valuable. I organize my workspace properly. An organized space improves speed. I update my supervisor about my progress. Communication keeps the work smooth. I ask for feedback to improve myself. Feedback helps me grow. I work with full dedication. Dedication brings strong results. I try to avoid mistakes as much as possible. Mistakes are lessons for improvement. I stay positive even if something goes wrong. Positive thinking lifts my mood. I remind myself that I can do better. At the end of the day, I clean my area. Cleanliness shows professionalism. I return tools to their correct place. I respect the workspace. I inform my supervisor that I'm done. I thank everyone for the team effort. Gratitude makes everyone happy. I leave the workplace with peace. I feel proud of my effort today. I prepare myself to grow even more tomorrow.